Let's talk about how to open Notepad++ from CMD and the Run dialog box. First of all, let's try opening Notepad++ from the Run dialog box. For that, you need to open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows R. This will open up the Run dialog box. Here you need to type Notepad++ and then press enter, and that's it. Also, if you press Windows R again and type Notepad++ and then press Ctrl Shift enter, this will open up the Notepad++ in the administrator mode. And then you need to click on S, and the Notepad++ is open in administrator mode, and here you can see the proof on the top bar. Alright, next, how to open Notepad++ from the command prompt or CMD. So we need to open up the command prompt, press Windows R, type CMD. You can either launch the command prompt in normal mode or in the administrator mode. I'm gonna just launch the command prompt in the normal mode, and then I'm gonna press enter. And here you need to enter the complete path where Notepad++ is installed. In other words, you need to type the complete directory of the installation folder of Notepad++. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna type it. Matter of fact, I've already copied the directory, so I'm gonna press Ctrl P. And it has automatically opened the Notepad++. If I had to manually type, then I had to write these things here. This is the complete directory where Notepad++ is stored on my system. So that's all I need to type and then press enter. Maybe you can add some inverted commas on the start and end, and in between that you need to place path or the folder or the directory where the installation files for Notepad++ are stored. So this is how you basically start Notepad++ from CMD or command prompt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.